And all that ice cream on your face. We need to build a bath. Now, water and cardboard don't mix. But this is a dream house, so anything goes. Sure, it's a little strange taking a bath in confetti. But all that really matters is that you have a rubber ducky. See? It even floats. Well, sort of. Ah, nothing beats a nice waxes. You got something for us? It's blank, but we can fix that. It's Pinky. Well, she's gonna need some pink and a little purple. Why don't we cut her out, too? Now give her some friends and some enemies. Still, they're looking a bit flat. This'll liven things up. Remember, folks, it's important to stay hydrated. It also pays to color coordinate. Now this guy's really gonna take the plunge. Here, Simon, we haven't forgotten you. All two of you. Wow, someone sure was thirsty today. Why don't we stack you up like pancakes? And flatten you up, also like pancakes. Looks like Ratty's doing his business. Hey, he could use a little privacy in here. You could at least remember to flush. Looks like we got a clog. Better clean it up. Here, this should clean things up. At the very least, we've got bubbles. You never go wrong with bubbles. Looks like it's time to water our vase. Pesky flowers. Now for some shaving cream. Cool stash. But now let's add it to the water. Nice and frothy, but let's add some color. Pick any color to start, but don't worry, we're adding the whole rainbow. And look, the foam's not the only thing getting a makeover. Now it's time to mix it all together. Hold on a sec, there's something inside. Who is it? Wow, it's a rainbow sprunky. Complete with a beret. Ooh, Simon's got a little gift for you. Let's add it to our collection. These special slimes come in so many colors. But they might be lonely in all those jars. Why don't we bring them all together? We could keep them like this, but let's mix things up. What a lovely shade of brown, the color of chocolate. Oren, what's wrong? Oh, there's a prize inside. Uh-oh, you know who? Not much of a prize. You hear that? It's our old pal Wenda. But she doesn't look too good. Let's check her out. Ooh, talk about indigestion. And all that slime. I think we could put it to better use. Add some cute things and sprinkles. Come on, we need sugar, spice, and everything nice. And our special ingredient, elbow grease. Wow, things are looking much better already. Here, Wenda, this stuff should perk you up. After all, it's what's inside that counts. Now we just need to stitch you back up. Wow, you're looking better already. Cool, we've got Sprunky stress balls. Give him a squeeze. He can take it. Of course, I don't want to burst your bubble. No, wait, on second thought, I kinda do. That's one way to show us what you're made of. Always best to share.
Oops.
And that goes for you, too. Ooh, water beads. So why don't we keep squeezing? Okay, Pinky, you're up next. Wow, she's feeling really squishy today. Now I really want to know what's inside her. Well, would you look at all that sand? You know what that means. It's time for some sand art. From everybody's favorite evil Cyclops. Planked in such a nice shade of green. Now, let's trim a little off the bottom. A touch of red really livens things up. But why don't we add some cheese? Don't mind the hole, it's just extra Swiss. But soon we'll have a brand new patty. Of course, this burger's not for lunchtime. It's our special tub. Add water. There's plenty down here. The same could also be said about sharks. Your finger, it's infected. Wait, no, it's just a pop tube. I'm always getting those things mixed up. But soon, it'll be our colorful new slide. And we're throwing on all the bells and whistles. Wow, it's looking great! We just gotta hook it up. And our dirty Dans are almost ready for a ride. Come on, guys, slide on down. The water's fine. Rub-a-dub-dub, 3 friends in a tub. But you guys could use some sponges? Yeah, it's probably best not to think about it. Besides, they make for a really cool couch. Then again, it's looking pretty bare. Why don't we whip up some Krabby Patty pillows? Ooh, and it looks like we ordered extra large. Meanwhile, I think we've earned a little jellyfishing break. Steady now. It's letting its guard down. Gotcha. Uh-oh. I prefer my pancakes with syrup, not jelly. Well, we could at least give you back your color. Now let's add some lines on top. But now it's time for the real heavy artillery, hot glue. Draw out some squiggles, and soon you'll have new tendrils. And we've got the perfect place for you to hang out. Wow, the sky just laid an egg. What's inside? A baby chick. Well, that seems normal enough. At least until you give her a good stretch. Marshmallow chicks have nothing on you. Ooh, she laid an egg. Wow. Anyone want breakfast? Well, time to get cracking. What, are you adding salt to taste? Now, let's heat things up. Give it a stretch. Who says you can't play with your food? Let's play a game. Customize some sprunky friends. They're cute, but they could use some faces. Just add water. Maybe we should just draw them on. Kind of blank, but to each his own. Maybe get these guys a towel or something. Gray looks sleepy. Wake up! The sun is shining. Why don't you let the light inside you? Here's a little something to wash it down with. I think someone needs a quick shave. This is why I said quick, not good. Either way, keep digging. Here comes the sun. Ooh, who knew the sun was so absorbent? Careful, don't squish his face too hard. Warren's feeling lighter than air these days. You probably should have covered those spikes. Hey, the confetti! There's something inside. A marker? Let's add some color to this tape. Now throw on some sprinkles. Is that clear? Hey, what are you chewing? Is that clay? Wait a minute, it's our old pal Sky. Well, rainbows always go with sky. And so does a whole lot of air. Who turned off the lights? Darnold? Aw, got a headache. This should help. More importantly, we've got crafting supplies. Run this needle through the glue and around the balloon. Give it a quick pop, and the yarn should stay in place. Add eyes and a bow, and it's Pinky. And look, she really lights up a room. Durple's got a good head on his shoulders, but he won't be standing tall for long. Maybe we should start from scratch. Like our purple Durple paper doll. Sprunkies, like onions, come in layers. Rolling your eyes? Well, I thought it was funny. Mr. Tree's here for a pruning, and just in time. To be fair, I guess a worm's gotta eat too. And you've got all sorts of stuff in your leaves. We'll put this bag to better use. Fill it with paint. Add clucker on top and squeeze those pores. Ooh, an apple! It's filled with slime! Aw, I was hoping for a worm. Either way, let's slice up a cucumber. It's got slime too, and it's pink. Add some glue and keep on mixing. Now wrap it up with double-sided tape. Let's put a happy face on things. And we've got Pinky. Chocolate ice cream. Uh-oh. Okay, that's impressive, but I still wouldn't eat it. Doggy's got what you need. Some paper. Cut it up and roll it into a cone. Add a straw right at the bottom. Now fill it up with plastic wrap. Next, blow it up like a great big balloon bubble. Looks like somebody got the point. What we need here is a plant expert, Vineria. These thorns will help her move across the board. And pretty soon, she's won the race.